Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make money with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, Amazon Mechanical Turk is a service by Amazon where you can earn money online by completing various tasks. It operates as a crowdsourcing marketplace that allows individuals and businesses to outsource processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who perform these tasks virtually. As an Amazon Mechanical Turk worker, your tasks may include survey participation, content moderation, or testing features on websites for companies. These companies pay Amazon for the work completed by workers like you. The benefits of using Amazon Mechanical Turk include optimizing efficiency and reducing costs for businesses. To get started with it, go ahead and click on Get Started on their website. You'll need an Amazon account. If you don't have one already, create it first. Once signed in with your Amazon account details, set up your Mechanical Turk worker account. On your dashboard, you'll see available tasks from requesters listed under what's called hits, or human intelligence tasks. Each hit has its own reward amount based on difficulty and time required to complete it, ranging from cents to dollars per task. Simply put, you just need to complete each hit and get paid. So that's basically how you can make money with Amazon Mechanical Turk. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.